This video provides an overview of CONVERIS 5 from the perspective of a researcher. The researcher can reach their personal profile through the university's research portal. Here we will log in with the user Albert Einstein. The overview page in CONVERIS is always structured in the same way. On the left-hand side, you can directly access different types of information. In this case, project ideas, project applications, projects, funding opportunities, and ethics reviews. Information can also be managed for publications, journals, patents, CV activities, tasks, and many more throughout the whole research lifecycle. So, all information relating to research innovation can be maintained within CONVERIS. The content section in the center of the page provides an overview of the information within the system for the user. For example, 11 publications are available for Albert. The Things to Do on the center left highlights upcoming deadlines, or, in this example, 7 publications which have been imported and need completion. CONVERIS contains a powerful messaging tool that allows notifications to be sent in response to the changing status of CONVERIS content, but also when requested by specific CONVERIS users. For example, when Grants Office staff have questions about submitted project information. Adding new content to CONVERIS is also very easy. The prominent Add New button on the right-hand side of the overview page allows the user to quickly add a new project, publication, or task, for example. The last created list is especially useful when adding multiple new records of the same type. I will now add a new publication to my profile. New publications can be added manually, and here we can see that specific templates are available for different types of publication. Alternatively, rather than entering the data manually, I can import my publication from an external source. This source could be a file, for example from Reference Manager, EndNote, or BibTeX. Now, however, I will choose to search online sources for publications within a given period of time. CONVERIS searches online repositories for matching publications. Here we can see results from PubMed, Scopus, and Web of Science Lite, though there are other repositories that can be accessed, for example Web of Science Premium. To ensure a high level of data integrity, CONVERIS compares any potential new publications with the records that already exist in the database. Users are guided through an easy-to-use validation process for resolving potential duplicates, although here I simply wish to import new publications not yet linked to my CONVERIS profile. Once I have selected the relevant records, I click Validate. I'm then asked to review and confirm my request. We can now see that 7 publications have been imported successfully and linked to my CONVERIS profile. Clicking the Validate link displays the list view from which I can complete and progress the publication records through their CONVERIS workflow. By clicking on the overview, I can access the edit page containing the metadata for that publication. We can now check that all publication attributes like volume, journal number, and issue are correct. All this information has automatically been imported from the external source. In addition, full text files can be uploaded, with embargo periods recorded if applicable. Additional template sections allow me to link the publication to thematic classifications, projects, or citations. When I have completed reviewing the metadata, upon saving the record, I can progress the publication to the next step in the workflow. Here, from non-validated to for validation by library. We will now visit the project list view to review my available project information. CONVERIS allows me to filter records in a very powerful and flexible manner. Here, I wish to define that the project start date falls within a specific time period. I can also add many more additional parameters. for example, requiring that the title contains a certain string of characters. These filters can then be saved and used regularly. Our filter here has returned just one matching project. Within CONVERIS, I can also access an overview of all the content within my profile. Here we can see my organizational affiliations, projects, publications, and other research activities. I can browse these activities to quickly discover the information stored within CONVERIS. I can also quickly and easily generate a CV based upon this information, defining exactly the content I wish to include, and we can see the resulting PDF here containing my research activities.